You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is w equal or smaller than 1. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 3/5 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is w equal or smaller than 1.